Well, hello and welcome to Two-Wheel Lifestyle. Today I'm starting my ride in the parking lot of Snow Summit, local ski resort. But not to go skiing, this is Two-Wheel Lifestyle, right? We're not skiing, but we're not on the motorcycle either. It's two wheels of any kind, and that means the fat bike today. Take this bugger up to the top of Summit.
That's pretty awesome. Good luck up there.
Oh, all right, thanks. You too.
Forget your chains?
They make them. I'm going to climb to the top. Actually, probably a little higher than the top of the ski runs. Ironically, they operate the ski lifts in the summer for mountain bikes, but not in the winter for fat bikes because I don't think they know about them yet. Believe me, if they let me put this on a lift, I would happily pay for it. I could do my downhill run multiple times, just like the summer. That's my buddy from climbing the mountain. Now, he and I were passing everybody on the way up Highway 38. Oh, I gotta get away from this traffic. I think I want to go this way. Let's go there. Yeah. Come on, baby. There we go. So the big question is going to be main divide. Well, they've gotten back there with a plow, or will the 4x4s been out having fun? I'm pretty sure they will. I'm not real worried about it. Huh? Traffic accident, I think. Well, here's Skyline closed to motorized vehicles, which is a bummer for me because they're my groomers. I've heard there are quads out here. There have been quads. That may be enough. It may not. Thanks. Thank you. Done most of my climbing for the day, not all of it. Although, just got word from locals that the plowed area ends up ahead. And I'm going to have to go down the mountain by a different route than I was planning. But that's all right. The key to a successful adventure is flexibility. Well, the sun is warming up. Snow-crusted trees, and they're slowly dripping off their snow all around me as I ride. It's a backdrop to my climb up this mountain. Now I'll start to record some more. Do you mind? I'm trying to do a vlog here. It's very noisy and distracting to have all this snow coming down. As long as it's not above me, I suppose that's okay. Just keep it to yourselves, all right? What direction is the prevailing wind along the ridge, I wonder? All right, well, on we go. Oh, this is good stuff. Yeah, this is a 4x track that's been snowed in, but it's enough for me to descend on. This is why I got a fat bike. Right here. So I'm back to the ski shuttle parking lot. And until next time, I'll see you all out there on two wheels.